Learn the secret to improve your present. Find out how to make the things you want coming true. An enjoyable and affordable online course that will allow you to learn to use the immense power of positive vibes for your own benefit and that of others. Master now the fascinating world of a personal development system called Radionics to enrich your life and that of those around you. An effective system to solve problems and enjoy a better future. Achieve your goals. Learn about the possibilities of effective alternative therapy with multiple possibilities. Enjoy more satisfying relationships at any level. An effective alternative therapy aimed at improving the state of your body and your general well-being. This course includes simple instructions to make a functional radionics device very easy, with materials that you will find in your home larder. Among the best-known applications of radionics, users highlight the development of personal ability, increased physical performance, vitality and general well-being. Its use as an effective bioenergetic therapy, improving concentration, meditation and intellectual performance. Weight control, the positive influence on other people. Applications in crops and plants, the development of commercial activities and the creation of income streams. And a long etc. Radionics is a personal development system that anyone can use in different fields of interest to advance to unsuspected levels. With this course you will acquire the knowledge you need to use it. More than 250 pages, recordings, demonstration videos, accessory graphics and even instructions for making your own symbolic functional radionic device, with which you can carry out all kinds of interesting experiences. You will have a very valuable tool that will serve you for the rest of your life. Think about what you want, what you like and what you need right now. And get ready to go for it. A warning. You will not find anything in this course related to hurting other people or negatively affecting others. If that is your goal, you will say to look elsewhere. On the other hand, you will not find anything miraculous either, exaggerations in relation to instant healing therapies, ways to get rich immediate liar, ways to control the mind of a person. Radionics is something much more serious than all that. It works very well, following a harmonious, natural and constant pattern that, on the other hand, can also be very fast.